Welcome to Alright, What's Next? We're not going to build anything today. We're not going to fix anything today. We're just going to walk around and look at the effects of a goddamn ice storm that nobody predicted. Friggin' week ago they were saying we're supposed to get possibly 1 to 3 inches of snow, 60% chance. Then they changed it to 50% chance of less than an inch of snow. Then they brought 1 to 3 inches of snow back in. But at no point in time did they ever fucking say that there was going to be goddamn ice. So this morning I woke up as the power went out, and you hear freaking branches snapping. This tree back here, freaking, we've lost a bunch of goddamn branches out of there. Evergreens around the property. I don't know how much damage there is in there. Probably not going to walk out into the tree line and look right now. But, yeah, this sucks. It's starting to get kind of cold in the freaking house. I got a generator, but I wasn't really prepared for this. I got a half a tank of fuel in the generator and about 3 gallons of gas set aside. And I don't think I want to try and drive into town with the half-inch ice all over everything. So let's wander out and go see what everything else looks like. Yeah, I'm not going to freaking go underneath this tree, but I don't know how well you can see that, but there is just a freaking ass ton of ice all over that goddamn thing. You can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it or not on the camera, but it's nice and creaking and cracking. Here, check out this branch down here. The ice nice and just exploded out all over the ground. The horses are out here freaking, they're fine. It's really not super cold out here. And they've got their shelter there. Look at all the freaking ice built up on that fence. I don't think these windows are going to roll down for shit. It's a little thick. Glad my car's in the garage. I don't have to deal with that then. Dogs keep eating the ice. That's Zeke. That's our newest one, Bear. That's kind of depressing right there. That's supposed to be my retirement tree. It's a weeping willow I planted last year. Figured by about the time that I'm able to, ready to retire, not ready, but financially able to retire. I'd retire right now if I could. But by the time I can retire, that's supposed to be a great big huge freaking tree that I can come out here and sit underneath. Hopefully the trunk hasn't cracked or anything, and it should just spring right back up. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Good God. Check out that fucking fence line, man. Weight of the ice and the 40 mile an hour winds that we had, it just pulled that damn fence down. There is just so much ice on there. Wish I had a better camera so I could do close-ups better, but yeah, there's a good half-inch all over everything. And check out that tree over there out by my mailbox. Yeah, from the looks of it, it doesn't look like any of the evergreens are snapped off anywhere, so my tree line's still intact. Hopefully power gets turned back on soon. This is Tuesday. I'm supposed to upload a video today. I'm not going to be able to do that now. You can see all the tops of the evergreen are just sagging like crazy up there. There's a ton of fucking weight up there. Winter sucks. It's crazy because it was 75 degrees 2 days ago. It's was it November 10th today, I think, something like that. 75 degrees 2 days ago, and then yeah, it's 30 out right now with a half an inch of ice on the freaking ground. Fucking Nebraska weather. There's the other dogs. Medivh and Walter over there. Let's see, probably taking a crap. This grass is actually kind of hard to walk on. Freaking ice is thick as hell. Oh, if you can see that real well, but that's what the grass looks like. Get the mower out, that'd be interesting. Zeke. Medieval. Dogs don't seem to mind. My nice bushes in the backyard. Half-inch ice all over them. From one of my first videos, that's a rhododendron bush that I yanked out of the ground with the freaking tractor to fix my basement. Surprisingly, it's still alive. I figured I would have killed it. But it's not liking the ice much. All the vines up all over my goddamn front porch. I got an umbrella stand. You can see the umbrella got knocked over. But it's got a base of concrete in there, if you can see that. That's 120 pounds of concrete. I got a video on how I make that, but I'm not done building the freaking patio table yet. But the umbrella got so top heavy with the ice and the 40-mile-an-hour winds that it freaking blew the goddamn thing over. Those things kind of look cool. They're little plant hangers. The ducks don't seem to mind though. There's lots of puddles everywhere, so they're pretty stupid happy. I guess there's geese and chickens and shit out there too. Alpacas are nice and fuzzy and warm. Yeah, I think I'm standing too close to a tree covered in ice. Hey, that's the effects of an ice storm. Move to warmer climates. This shit sucks. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. See ya.